Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. Imagine your company's IT team is constantly firefighting by fixing issues, chasing tickets, and struggling to keep services running smoothly. Now imagine a system that turns chaos into clarity, where every process has a purpose and every service delivers value. That's the power of ITIL 4. Information Technology Infrastructure Library, in short ITIL, is the world's most widely adopted framework for IT service management. And ITIL 4, it's the latest evolution designed for the digital age where agility, collaboration, and customer experience are everything. Let's break down what makes ITIL 4 so relevant today. What is ITIL 4? ITIL 4 is a flexible framework that helps organizations align IT services with business needs. It's not a rigid set of rules, but a guide to creating value through effective service management. Whether you're in cloud computing, DevOps, or traditional IT, ITIL 4 adapts to your environment. ITIL 4 introduces 4 key dimensions: organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, value streams and processes. These dimensions ensure that every aspect of service delivery is considered, from the tools you use to the people who make it happen. Now that we have set the foundation, let's explore the core components that make ITIL 4 a game changer for modern IT teams. The Service Value System. At the heart of ITIL 4 is the Service Value System. It connects all the components of service management into one unified model. The SVS includes guiding principles, governance, service value chain, practices, continual improvement. Together, they help organizations co-create value with customers and stakeholders. ITIL 4 is built on 7 guiding principles. Focus on value. Start where you are. Progress iteratively with feedback. Collaborate and promote visibility. Think and work holistically. Keep it simple and practical. Optimize and automate. These principles encourage flexibility, innovation, and continuous improvement. The service value chain. At the core of the service value system lies the service value chain. It serves as a flexible operating model, guiding essential activities such as planning, improving, engaging, designing, transitioning, and delivering services. This model enables organizations to respond swiftly and effectively to changing business demands. ITIL practices. In ITIL 4, traditional processes have been replaced with more adaptable practices. There are 34 practices in total, including incident management, change control, and service desk operations. These practices work hand in hand with the value chain to ensure consistent, high-quality service delivery. Why ITIL 4 matters? ITIL 4 extends beyond IT teams. It empowers businesses to enhance customer experiences, reduce inefficiencies, and strengthen collaboration. By adopting ITIL 4, organizations can become more agile, resilient, and aligned with their strategic goals. What makes ITIL 4 even more powerful is its compatibility with modern frameworks like Agile, DevOps, and Lean. By integrating these approaches, organizations can accelerate delivery, foster stronger collaboration, and create greater value for their customers. So, whether you're an IT professional, a service manager, or a business leader, ITIL 4 gives you the tools to transform service delivery. It's not just a framework, but a mindset for modern IT. Want to dive deeper and get certified? Explore our ITIL 4 training at the Knowledge Academy. You will find the link in the description. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy and hit the notification bell icon to be first to get notified. Keep learning and keep growing with the Knowledge Academy.